Andrew's Bakery baked 1,408 tarts and cakes on Monday. 3/4 of the 8 tarts and 3/4 of the cakes were sold. Andrew's Bakery made another 48 tarts and 60 cakes, and the ratio of the number of 8 tarts to the number of cakes became 2:3. How many 8 tarts did Andrew's Bakery make at first on Monday? So there's a total of 1,408 tarts and cakes that were being made. Out of these 1,400, 3/4 of the 8 tarts and 3/4 of the cakes were sold. So we'll draw the model to show the 8 tarts should have a total of 4 units, while the cakes will also have a total of 4 units, but they are of different sizes. So 3/4 of the 8 tarts and 3/4 of the cakes were sold. Then Andrew's Bakery made another 48 tarts. So he made another 48 tarts and 60 cakes. So there's a total of another 60 cakes. As a result, the ratio of the 8 tarts to the number of cakes became 2:3. So that means 8 tarts is to cake became 2:3. That is to say, this is equivalent to 2 units. So in order to make this into 2 parts, I actually have to cut this into 2, and 40 divided by 2, I'll get 20. So I can also divide this into 2 to get 20. So I can also cut this into 3 parts and divide it up in 3. So 60 divided by 3 will give me 20. So there's a 20. So 1 part in the ratio is actually equivalent to 1 unit plus 20. So if we cut this into 3 parts, we'll cut this all into 3 parts, 3 parts, and 3 parts, and all this will be cut into 2 parts. The question asks, how many 8 tarts did Andrew's Bakery make at first on Monday? So at first, he actually made a total of 1,408 tarts and cakes together, and this is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 units is equivalent to 1,400. To find 1 unit, I will use 1,400 divided by 20, and I will get 70. The question is asking for 8 tarts only, so 8 tarts has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So 8 units will be 8 times 70, which is equivalent to 560. Now we do not take into consideration this 40 because this was made another 48 tarts after that. So the answer is 560.